5 types of people you need in your life to succeed. Charlie Jones said, "You'll be the same the next 5 years, if not for the books you read and the people you meet." As humans, we are who we are because of whom we have. In other words, you are an average of about 5 closest people to you. But what kinds of people do you really need to have in your life? In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 types of people you need in your life if you want to be successful. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. The following are the types of people you must have in your life. 1. People who challenge you. If we are allowed, we'll all be lazy and useless. We all enjoy our comfort zones because there's peace and certainty. Unfortunately, we can't be a hero by living in peace. To win, we have to fight, and that often means going out to confront life, pursuing your dreams even when it's very difficult to do. To really do this, you need people in your life who can keep you on your toes. These people may be friends who are as well crazy about getting things done, or colleagues who are different from everyone else. What's important is that you have these types of people in your life. People who make you to wake up early and sleep late. People who challenge you and push you off your comfort zone. 2. People who teach you. These may be mentors, teachers, or consultants. Because we all have very limited knowledge about life and most things, it's only wise to tap knowledge from people who have gone ahead of us. To really be successful, you must know what most people in your generation don't know. To do this, you need to have teachers and learn from experts. You must be inquisitive and ask questions. You have to be studious and read many books no one is reading. Don't get this wrong, you don't necessarily have to get a physical mentor. These days, you can easily become the best student of anyone without leaving your room. For example, I have many teachers whom I respect so much, and they are all outside my physical reach. But by taking time to study their works, I know how they think, what they believe, and most importantly, I learn from them the life's wisdom, which drastically makes my own life better. To be successful, you must know a lot of things most people don't know. To know what people don't know, you need some great teachers. You can use the internet, social media, or YouTube to identify who you want to learn from and follow them very closely. 3. People who believe in you. When I was a little boy, my mother told me, "My son, you are a very brilliant boy." Even though my school's report cards showed that I was below average for more than a decade, I believed that I was very brilliant, and somehow I became very brilliant. You need people who can believe in you. Some people will be able to express this belief, like my mom, while others will simply show you by their support for your dreams. You have to cherish such people. But the question is, how can I get people to believe in me? The first thing I should tell you is this: not so many people will believe in you, and you have to understand this. If you have 1 or 2 people to affirm their beliefs in you, you've got all you may ever get. Even your parents may not believe in your dreams. My siblings never believed in me, and that was fine. That person that will believe in you may be your friend or just a colleague at work. In fact, in some extreme cases, the only people who will believe in you will be your teachers, which may not be physically present with you. In the case of a teacher you are following online. If you are serious, you'll come across someone who truly believes in you. Keep such people in your life, as you will need them to keep on being motivated towards your dream. 4. People who doubt you. One of my brothers once told me that I will never succeed. Yeah, he didn't use that exact words, but that should be the literal interpretation of what he said. If you have a life that's worth living, you will definitely have people who doubt your ability to succeed. But how are these people useful for your success in life? Well, in my own case, whenever I remember that someone said that I cannot do something, I get inspired to go the extra mile because I want to prove them wrong. You know such spirits, don't you? You know how you feel when you want to prove someone wrong, don't you? The feeling is great, and it can motivate you to conquer the world. So how do you get people to doubt you? Well, in most cases, you really don't have to do anything. Because the world is filled with too many doubters. I'm sure some are in your family, some are among your friends. All you have to do is to share your dreams and listen to people or look at their faces. Some will be bold enough to tell you that you're crazy, while some will only say that with their body language. When you get these doubters to doubt you, you should record their voice into your head and replay it 1,000,000 times every day. Each time you remember those doubters, you should tell yourself, "Guy, I need to prove these people wrong. I don't know anything as motivating as this." 5. People who are willing to go with you. I see so many people living their lives all by themselves. They make their money by themselves and pursue their dreams all by themselves. They are perfectionists and their greatest pride is in doing something right. Your pride should not be in doing something right, but in doing it fast. It can always get better later, but it has to be done now. Don't be a lone ranger. Ask for help. Form alliance. Strike a partnership deal. Employ others. Build a team. Just never go alone. John Maxwell said, "One is too small a number to achieve greatness." You alone are too small. You must be willing to get others to partner with you, work with you, cooperate with you, and make sacrifices with you. In conclusion, we must all understand how small we are and learn how to get help. We all need people who believe in our dreams, people who teach us what we don't know, people who are willing to journey with us, even people who doubt us. And it's our duty to get connected with these people and use their different relationships with us to grow and become successful.